this video clip, I'm going to be talking about patching holes. Before starting to mud, I went ahead and laid down a painter's tarp and some spare towels just in case I spill some of the mud or it falls off the wall. It's not going to get into the carpet. For filling holes, our closet is going to be the worst area just because we pulled out that shelving unit and there was a lot of different brackets that held that in. On another portion of our wall, we had another shelf which was held in by a big screw, so we're going to have to make sure and fill this as well. The first thing I'm going to do with these holes is take a utility knife and cut a divot around them. Because when we pulled those nails out, it did raise up the drywall a little bit, we're just going to cut that back down. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of sandpaper and make sure that's smooth. Next, we're going to take a little bit of mud and fill in that hole. Now you want to leave a little bit of mud above the surface so that we can sand it down later. When you mud your holes, you might need to do this over about a 2 or 3 day span, just because when the mud dries, it will get smaller and it will show that hole a little bit.